In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Google Drive and ShareLink. First, head to the Google Drive homepage in your web browser. You'll land on your drive where all your folders and files live. Think of this as your central hub for organizing and sharing content. Keeping things tidy here will make sharing much easier later. Next, choose the folder where you want the file to live. Click the folder to open it. Selecting the destination first saves you from having to move the file afterward and helps ensure your link points exactly where you want it to. Now, look to the top left and click New. This opens a small menu with different options for adding content to your drive. From that menu, click File Upload. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to the file you want to upload, select it, and confirm. You'll see an upload status in the bottom right corner of Drive. Wait for it to finish. When it's complete, the file will appear in the folder you chose. Click the uploaded file so it opens in a preview tab. This step makes sure you're working with the correct item and activates the sharing controls for that specific file. At the top, click the person icon, which is the share button. This opens the sharing window where you control exactly who can view the file. In the sharing window, find the access setting that currently says restricted. This means only specific people you add can view the file. Click that setting to open the link options. Choose anyone with the link. This switches the file to a link-based share so anyone who has the URL can open it. For most situations, the default access is viewer, which lets people see the file without making changes. That's the safest option for public sharing. Be mindful that anyone with the link removes the need to sign in, so only use it for content you're comfortable sharing broadly. Click Copy Link. Drive will place the shareable link on your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, chat, document, or anywhere else you need it. Finally, click Done to close the sharing window and return to your file. That's it, the file is uploaded, the link is configured, and you have the URL ready to share. Quick recap. Open Google Drive, go into your destination folder, use New and File Upload, open the file, use the Share button, switch from restricted to anyone with the link, copy the link, and click Done. Stay organized, double check the access level, and you'll share files confidently every time.